In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add dependents in TurboTax. To get started, sign into your TurboTax account and open the tax return you're currently working on. Make sure you're in the correct return before you begin, since dependent information affects several parts of your taxes and should be added carefully. Once you're inside your return, go to the My Info section. This is where TurboTax keeps your personal details, household information, and the people connected to your return. If you're not sure where to find it, look along the main navigation area until you see My Info, then click into it. After that, scroll down until you reach the Your Household section. In this area, you'll see options related to the people in your home or anyone you may be claiming on your tax return. Find the Add a Dependent option and click it to begin entering the new dependent's information. Next, TurboTax will ask who you support. You'll choose between My Child or another person. Select the option that best fits your situation, then click Continue. This selection matters because TurboTax uses it to guide you through the correct follow-up questions and eligibility checks. Now enter the dependent's basic details, including their first name, last name, date of birth, citizenship, and any other required information shown on the screen. As you type, take a moment to double-check spelling and dates. Even small mistakes can create issues later, so accuracy here is important. When you've finished entering those details, click Continue. TurboTax will then take you through the remaining questions about your dependent. These questions help determine how the person should be listed on your return and whether they qualify for any tax benefits. Read each prompt carefully and answer based on your situation. After completing the questions, review all of the dependent information you entered. This is your chance to confirm that everything is correct before saving it. Look over the name, birth date, and other key details, and make sure your answers match the dependent's actual circumstances. Once everything looks right, click Continue to save your dependent. At that point, TurboTax will store the information in your return and may apply it to other parts of your tax filing automatically. And that's it. You've successfully added a dependent in TurboTax. Take your time with each screen, review your entries before moving on, and you'll make the process much smoother. Thanks for watching.